In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove YouTube Shorts on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. If you are not, tap right here, enter your email password, and once you are signed into your YouTube account, tap at that icon which says library, and then go to your videos by tapping right here. What that will do, that will show you all of your videos, and now we can filter them by videos, shorts and lives. I'm gonna tap at shorts, and then it shows me all my YouTube shorts. I got a ton of shorts here, as you can see. And then if we would like to delete one, we need to tap at three dots next to it, then tap at delete, and then delete again to confirm the deletion. That's how you can easily remove YouTube Shorts.